Let's take a look at this late 19th century photographic album that someone apparently had custom made for them around 1890 of a visit, it would appear, to Luxembourg, Treves, and La Moselle. And there are marbled end papers like so. The binding would appear to date from about that late 19th century era. And what it is a series of these cabinet card views that were acquired, evidently, separately by this early owner because they are different locations and different makers and so on. So this album was not produced by a publisher, but rather by a private collector, who obviously this meant something to them, this region and so on, like this. Yeah, interesting. These are all heliotype, or well, maybe albumen, possibly that sort of late 19th century photograph that's been applied to a heavier backing card, as typical in this era. Like so. I'm going to show you each of the views so you can see exactly what's in here. And we have on the Rhine there, it appears. Okay. Like this. And that's the final one, like that. And so this unique, one-of-a-kind album is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.